5 Best Stick Vacuum Cleaners. Number 5. Hoover BH52210. It's easier than ever to clean up. Reach anywhere cleaning. 2-in-1, removable hand vac is great. Long slim pole reaches up high. A wall mount for easy storage. Cleaning small messes and tight spaces. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. Black & Decker HSVJ 520. Strong suction picks up dirt. Hand vacuum for smaller messes. 2-in-1 provides stick vacuum for floors. Vacuum your whole house on one charge. 2-year limited warranty. Swivel steering to get around furniture with ease. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. ProScenic P8. Convenient fingertip touch control design. Converts to a powerful hand vacuum. The lightweight stick cordless vacuum runs. To easily switch between carpet, hard floor cleaning modes. 12-month manufacturer's warranty. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Dyson V8 Absolute. Direct drive cleaner head. Lightweight and versatile. Up to 30 minutes of fade-free power. Powered by the Dyson Digital Motor V8. Item weight, 5.75 pounds. Expels cleaner air than the air you breathe. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. Against cord-free stick market. Lightweight and versatile. Advanced whole machine filtration. To clean right through the home. Engineered to pick up both large debris. Up to 40 minutes of fade-free power. Please check the description for detail and price.